Hello everyone, I am Jessica and I welcome you to House Decor Designs. If you are a home lover and want to make your bedroom stand out and look awesome, then look no further, just watch this video. Wardrobes with sliding doors are decor choice which can add tremendous value in terms of function and style. Since such doors slide on channels, they don't need any space to open out like swinging doors, making them an ideal storage solution for small bedrooms and rooms or hallways with limited space. Moreover, with the range of materials, finishes, and patterns that sliding doors are available in or can be designed in, the aesthetic features of the furniture are practically limitless. Watch this video on sliding wardrobe design ideas in 2020 to make the right choice for your furniture. And who knows where the decision will lead you to. Glass sliding wardrobe doors have much to boast about in the world of decor. Their clean and classic finish whispers elegance and instantly adds understated chic, the way it does in the dressing area of the bedroom. Glass has the added advantage of magically expanding a space, making it look open and bigger. Additionally, by using high-quality systems that slide smoothly and silently, you can say goodbye to creaking wardrobe doors that disturb your sleep. The soft close systems in sliding doors help to maintain the quietness within a bedroom. Sliding cupboard doors are versatile as they can be made from a range of materials, including wood and glass, making them adaptable to almost any design style. Most often, one sees wardrobes with sliding doors in modern apartments and houses. Therefore, many homeowners wonder whether they will look good even in a home with a classic or a rustic design style. Since there is no restriction on the type of material used for fitted wardrobe doors with sliding systems, they can be designed to suit any design style. If you want to watch this type of videos, then subscribe to this channel and you are set to explore the latest and amazing home decoration ideas for free. Just relax and watch this video completely to get inspired to make your dream come true. Thank you guys for trusting me, and watch till the end and stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to House Decor Designs channel.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest, and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold my world again. Your love is all I ever need. No one else will fill my heart.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight, I know. It's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely